Finding the best heat diffuser for gas stove can feel tricky when hot spots keep burning your food. But the best heat diffuser for gas stove gives you smooth, even heat every time. I use one daily on my US-style gas range, and it made sauces, rice, and slow cooking so much easier with fewer burnt pans. After years of testing cookware and kitchen tools, I know what actually works and what just looks good on the shelf. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. HIC Kitchen Heat Diffuser Reducer. I use this when my small pans act wild on high heat. The even heat spread keeps my sauces calm and smooth. Nothing burns, nothing sticks. The Stay Cool handle feels safe in my hand, even when the stove runs hot. I love how it lifts tiny pots like my butter pan and coffee pot. It makes them sit flat and steady. Cleanup is easy. I drop it in the dishwasher and move on. One small flaw is the size. It is a bit long for tiny drawers. Still, it works great on gas, glass, and electric tops. It gives soft, steady heat, much like the best cheap electric fireplace gives warm room air. For slow cook and safe simmer, this one feels simple and smart. Number 4. Cook's Innovations SimmerMat Heat Diffuser. I use this on my gas stove when I make rice or melt chocolate. It keeps heat low and calm. The zero-carbon steel feels light but strong. It heats fast and spreads heat in a smooth way. My sauces no longer stick or burn. That saves food and stress. The Works on Induction feature is rare. I tested it on a friend's glass top and it worked well. That makes it easy to use in many kitchens. Cleanup is simple too. I place it in the dishwasher and it comes out shiny. One small downside is size. It is flat and wide, so it takes space in a drawer. Still, it does its job very well. Heat stays even and gentle. It gives steady warmth, like the best cheap electric fireplace gives soft room heat. For slow cook and safe simmer, this plate feels smart, simple, and very helpful. Number 3. Aunt Shannon's Kitchen Cast Iron Heat Diffuser. I use this set on my gas stove when I make soup or slow sauce. The two sizes fit most of my pots. The dual-size plates feel handy. I grab the small one for coffee and the big one for stew. Heat stays calm and soft. Food does not burn. That helps on busy days. The removable steel grip keeps my hands safe. I can lift the plate with ease. The black enamel is smooth and wipes clean fast. I like that it looks neat on the stove. It spreads heat in a gentle way, so glass and ceramic pans stay safe. One small downside is weight. Cast iron is heavy, so it takes care to move. Still, it works well for daily use. It spreads heat in the same smooth way the best cheap electric fireplace sends warm air. For gas stoves, this set feels strong, safe, and easy to trust. Number 2. BNYD Heat Diffuser Plate. I use this diffuser when I cook sauces or warm milk. It keeps things calm on a gas stove. The cool fold handle makes it easy to move without burns. I like that. It feels safe even when hot. The plate gives a smooth heat spread so food does not scorch. My glass pan stays safe too. That helps a lot in small kitchens. It fits most pots and feels light in hand. Cleanup is simple since it goes in the dishwasher. One small downside is size. Big pans may not sit flat. Still, for daily use, it works well. In a way, it acts like the best cheap electric fireplace does for heat. It sends warmth slow and even. For soft cooking and gentle heat, this little plate feels like a quiet win in my kitchen. Number 1. Heat Equalizer Cast Iron Heat Diffuser. I use this heat diffuser on my gas stove when I cook slow meals. It makes a big change. The even heat spread helps stop hot spots, so rice and sauce do not burn. My pans stay calm and steady. That makes cooking feel easy and stress-free. The size fits most pots I own. I like how solid it feels in my hand. The cast iron core holds heat well and sends it out slow and smooth. This is great for soups and beans. It also helps when I warm milk or melt butter. The base stays cool enough to move with care. One small downside is weight. It is heavy, so it is not for weak wrists. This tool works like the best cheap electric fireplace does for heat. It spreads warmth slow and even. For gas stoves, this diffuser feels like a quiet helper that keeps food safe and tasty. Final verdict. If I had to pick just one, the Heat Equalizer cast iron heat diffuser is my top choice. It feels solid, it spreads heat so well, and it turns any gas burner into smooth, calm cooking. From sauces to slow simmers, it just works every time. That's why it's my best overall pick. For a simple and low-cost option, the BNYD heat diffuser plate is great. It's light, it's easy to use, and it's perfect for quick simmering or keeping coffee warm without burning. Both do their job well. It just depends on how you cook and what you need most. Check the links in the description for current prices and full details, and pick the heat diffuser that fits your style and need best.